When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. It's the morning edition for Thursday, the 21st of September. I'm James Spann. An upper ridge is our big feature. Goes nowhere for a while, so through early next week. Very warm days, only isolated showers. The big action in the tropics. Water vapor satellite view. Indeed, ridging in the east, troughing in the west. Now, this whole thing's going to break down in about 8 to 10 days, but for a while, we're going to be kind of locked into a persistence pattern here. Starting off the day, mostly in the 60s, some spots in the low 70s, highs upper 80s today in most locations, about 5 above average. Convective outlook, a marginal risk up north. Tomorrow, a risk of severe weather from near El Paso to the Canadian border. And on day 3, no organized severe weather expected. And every day we stay in the green. That means a storm possible, but the ones that form in the afternoon should be few and far between. In fact, look at this. Hardly any rain at all for the next 7 days. This followed through Thursday morning of next week. The big numbers well to the west. And we are almost into October, which is historically our driest month of the year. It typically just doesn't rain a lot this time of the year unless we have tropical systems involved. Speaking of the tropics, first off, the ghost of Lee is just fading. I don't think that regenerates out in the middle of the Atlantic. We've got Maria and Jose. Let's look at Jose. Tropical storm, top wind 60 miles an hour, spinning off the upper Atlantic coast. This thing just hangs around for a while, gradually becoming post-tropical in the cooler water. And we're fairly optimistic this will leave a weakness in the ridge that will allow an escape route for Maria to stay offshore. Speaking of Maria, man, love these GO 16 loops. Just remarkable resolution. Notice the eye is fairly large, not tight like we had a few days ago, that pinhole. Still, though, this thing is strengthened again back to a Category 3, 115 mile per hour winds. Off the coast of the Dominican Republic, that'll be gaining latitude. Here's the track from the Hurricane Center. Passes well east of the Bahamas. And by late Monday night, early Tuesday, should be between the Carolinas and Bermuda. Tropical models, pretty good agreement. Show a nice bend northeast in 5 days. The GFS ensemble, looking good. All 21 members well offshore. A recurving path. European, now this is the 12Z from yesterday. Don't have the OZ yet. That run had some members close in, but I would imagine it'll be shifting to the right as well. So confidence is growing. This will not directly threaten the east coast of the United States. A little too early to know for sure, but confidence is clearly growing. And intensity of Maria should slowly come down, and most likely it'll be a Category 1 by Monday or Tuesday of next week. So, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 06E run, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. Cold trough in the west, warm ridge in the east. And for us, our weather's just not going to change. Really, for the next 5 to 7 days. Highs mid to upper 80s. Any showers very isolated. This is tomorrow. We're watching Jose and Maria. Saturday, Maria moving due north. And again, for us, mid to upper 80s, only isolated showers. Same thing Sunday. Jose kind of fizzles. Maria moving north. This is Monday. Maria well offshore. Tuesday begins to curve to the northeast. And again, understand every day here, mid to upper 80s, isolated afternoon showers and storms, meaning the chance of any one spot getting wet about 1 in 5 in the 20% bracket. This is Wednesday. Maria well east of the Outer Banks. Let's check the European Wednesday. It's a little farther to the west, but still east of the Outer Banks, which is good. And a week from today, this is Thursday, the 28th of September, the ridge beginning to break down a little bit. And a surface front to the north. That could come through here with a chance of showers toward the end of next week. And this is the end of the month. There's that nice trough we've been talking about, the pattern change in the east, a dry continental air mass. The numbers are coming down. Just like magic, about the time October gets here, highs drop in the low 70s and lows drop in the low 50s. That will be very refreshing. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy-efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.